Hello everyone, my name is Sujit Kumar and I am pursuing BSc Honours in Data Science and AI from IIT Guwahati. Today I am presenting my term project 2, whose title is Automated Resume Screening System. Before I begin, I would like to briefly explain why I selected this project. Whenever a company announces a job opening, it receives a large number of applications. Sometimes recruiters have to go through hundreds or even thousands of resumes for a single position. Checking all these resumes manually takes a lot of time and efforts. While thinking about this problem, I felt that machine learning could help automate this process and make it easier. So I developed an automated resume screening system. This project is mainly focused on automating the initial resume screening process using machine learning and text classification techniques. Now let's move to the project overview. The main goal of this project is to simplify the requirement screening process. In many companies, recruiters receive hundreds or sometimes thousands of applications for a single job opening. Reviewing every resume one by one requires a lot of time and effort. To solve this problem, I developed this automated resume screening system. This performs four major tasks. First, it accepts PDFs and docs files. Second, it identifies whether the uploaded documents is resume or not. Third, for the valid resume, it predicts the most suitable job role. And finally, it calculates a score and generates the final screening status. The entire application is developed using Python and Streamlit, making it simple and user-friendly. Now let's understand the problems in more details. Problem statement. Before discussing the solution, let us first understand the problem. In real requirement process, organization receive a large number of documents from applicants. Recruiters have to spend a lot of time checking whether each document is actually a resume and whether the candidate is suitable for a particular role. There are several common challenges. The first challenge is the large number of applications. The second challenge is the manual resume screening take a lot of time and efforts. The third challenge is that some uploaded files are not resume at all. And finally, identifying suitable candidate quickly becomes very difficult. Because of these challenges, there is a need for automated system that can perform the initial screening process efficiently. This project was developed to address this issue. Tools and technology. Now let us briefly talk about the tools used in this project. Python. Python was used as the main programming language. Panda was used for handling and processing the data. Scikit-learn was used to build and train the machine learning models. PyPDF2 was used for extracting text from PDF file. Python docs were used for reading docs file. And Streamlit were used to create web application interface. All these tools work together to build the complete system. Dataset used. For this project, I used two datasets. The first dataset is resume.csv. It contains around more than 49,000 resume records and is used for job role prediction. The second dataset is resumedetector.csv. It contains around more than 22,000 records and is used for resume and non-resume classifications. Before training the models, I cleaned and pre-processed the text data so that machine learning models could learn more efficiently. Workflow of the system. Now let's understand the complete workflow of the system. The process begins when a user uploads one or more documents. The first step is text extraction. The system extracts the text from uploaded PDF or docs file. After extracting the text, it is cleaned and pre-processed by removing unwanted characters, symbols, and extra spaces. Next, the resume detection model analyzes the content and determines whether the uploaded document is resume or not. If the document is identified as resume, the second model predicts the most suitable job role based on the skill and information present in the resume. Finally, the system calculates a score and display the result. So the complete workflow is: first upload file, then extract text, after that clean text, check if resume. If it is resume, it predicts role, calculate a score and show the result. And we can also export the result in CSV file. This is how the system processes each uploaded documents. Now I will demonstrate the working of the application. This is my resume screening system. These are the data sets. This is the resume detector.csv data sets. It has more than 22,000 records. It is used to detect the uploaded file is resume or not. This is the resume.csv dataset file. It has more than 49,000 records. It is used to predict the correct job roles. And this is the extractor.py file. It is used to extract the text from uploaded PDF or docs file. This is the preprocess.py file. It is used to clean the extracted text by removing extra symbols and a space and special characters. This is the app.py file. This is the requirement.txt file. Here listed all the requirements for these projects. These are the my models which has been trained on these data sets. Now let's run this app. Streamlit run app.py. It has opened in Chrome browser. These are the interface of my resume screening system. Here we can upload the files. Now let's some documents here. Yeah, I have uploaded some sample records. Some of these are resume and some of not resume, and it will automatically gives results. Here are the results: file name, document type, predicted job role, a score, a status. If the score is greater than 80%, it is selected for predicted job role. If a score is between 16 and 80, it is applicable for predicted job role. If a score is below 60, it will show low match for the predicted job role. If uploaded file is not resume, it will show not resume. From here we can download as a CSV file also. From this button we can remove all the files at a time. Now I will briefly explain the technical implementation. The project consists of several important modules. The extractor.py file is responsible for the extracting text from PDF and docs file, and the preprocesses.py file performs the text cleaning and preprocessing. The train-model.py file is used to train machine learning models, and the app.py file contains the main Streamlit application that the user interact with. For machine learning, I use two techniques. First, TF-IDF vectorizer, and second, logistic regression. In TF-IDF vectorizer, it converts textual data into numerical feature, and machine learning model can understand it. Logistic regression is used for classification tasks. Two separate machine learning models were trained. The first model identifies whether a document is resume or not. The second model predicts the job role for valid resume. The final score is calculated using the confidence value generated by these models. A score formula. A score is equal to 70% of the role confidence and the 30% of the resume confidence. Results and outputs. The system produces multiple outputs for each uploaded documents. These outputs include documents type, predicted job role, confidence score, and the final status. For example, if the system detects a resume related to backend development, it may predict the role as backend development and generate a high confidence score. Similarly, resume related to data and AI, quality assurance, security and infrastructure, and the other category are classified accordingly. These outputs help recruiters quickly understand the suitability of the candidate. evaluation and status generation. Once the score is calculated, the system generates a final status. If a score is greater than 80, the candidate is marked as selected for the predicted job role. If a score is between 60 to 80, the candidate is marked as applicable for predicted job role. If a score is below the 60%, the candidate is marked as low match for the predicted job role. If the uploaded file is not resume, the system directly displays not resume. This makes output easy to understand and useful for recruiters. Conclusion and future work. To conclude, I successfully developed an automated resume system using machine learning techniques. The system can detect whether a document is resume or not, predict suitable job roles, generate confidence score, assign final screening status. This project demonstrates how machine learning can be used to automate a real-world requirement task and reduce manual effort. For future improvement, the system can be enhanced by adding OCR support for scanned documents, using larger dataset, implementing advanced NLP models, adding job description matching, project links. The source code of this project has been uploaded on GitHub. All project resource, code files and demonstration material can be accessed through the links provided here. Now I came to the end of my presentation. Working on this project helped me to understand how machine learning can be applied to solve real-world requirement problems. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. Thank you.